Hello everyone, andito tayo ngayon sa Sibugay, Zamboanga, Sibugay. Mayroon tayo ditong isang napakalaking farm na ang sukat ay almost 8 hectares. And right now, i-develop ito as a prayer mountain. Kaya ito ay isang place dedicated for the glory of God. For the name of Jesus Christ alone. Look at the place. Malinis na siya. And right now, may ongoing ditong planting ng 400 na durian trees. 200 durian trees, 300 lanzones trees, at meron tayong rambutan trees, avocado trees, pomelo trees, at iba pa. So right now, we're going to build a function hall and a main house in the area. So you have a flat land dito sa side na to that is intended for a function hall and events. So basically right now, this almost 8 hectares property, mayroon siyang income katulad netong dagta ng rubber. Ayan o. Grabe. Ayan. Napakasakit talaga pag ikaw ay sinugatan. Kapag sinaktan ka, ayan, tutulo ang iyong dugo. Alright. So imagine, ang ganda ng area. Right. So this property can be accessed from Pagadian City to Zamboanga City. From Pagadian City, like 1 hour and 20 minutes drive. Then you will experience itong napakagandang sanctuary. At merong malinis na tubig dito, guys. Look at that. Then, from Zamboanga City, like mga almost 5 hours drive. Pero there is a space here na pwede kayong mag-land through helicopter. Yes, a helipad area. So, hahanap tayo ng malinis na lugar where in your helicopter makapag-land. And ayan o, ang lakas ng tubig. Look. Right? Anyway, ang ganda, di ba? It's basically a farm area. Naka-orange. Ayan, alright. So anyway guys, if you haven't subscribed our channel, I invite you all to hit that subscribe button and click that bell button to get you notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. And then dito sa side ito, maglalagay po ito ng driveway. Ayan. And then ito yung pinaka area. Ayan, meron doong modern kubo. Ayan, ito. Meron po siyang modern kubo at saka falls in the area. Look at that. Wow. Oh, di ba? Modern kubo. Alright. Okay. Thank you so much guys and I hope to see you in our next one. God bless everyone.